Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. It's Emanuel here and I'm here with another video, and this one is about Tomarket. So Tomarket, as we know, will be listing on the 20th of December. They are not postponing the listing, so calm down. On the 20th of December 2024, so they are saying 15 days to go on their announcement page on Telegram. And as you can see, this is the huge news that they just dropped. As you all know, they distributed only about 60 to 65% of their airdrop in the TG that they did, and all they have done, even the early adopters airdrop, is just about 65% of the total supply. So 30% of the total supply of Toma will be airdrop to users ahead of listing. To qualify, you must reach silver level 1 in your Tomarket level, and the snapshot will take place on the 18th of December, which is 2 Wednesdays from now, after next week Wednesday. So get ready, of course. So I'm going to be showing you the different ways to boost your Tomarket. So you go to the Tomarket app and you open. As you can see, my early adopters bonus was just about 52,000. So you open, you allow it to load. After it loads for a while, it will open up. Okay, so it has opened, and I'm going to confirm the usual things. I'm going to claim on these things. As usual, I'm just going to claim. So I've shown you several times in videos. So after every week you claim a specific amount of Tomarket. Please subscribe to the channel if you find this video helpful, of course. So weekly you claim. After every week you claim, so the countdown ends. I think it has already, okay, it ends in just about 4 hours, as you can see here. So after which I can claim 3,000 Toma. So to boost that, I will, of course, if you have up to 20,000 Tomarket points, this thing here, you click on here and you swap to one Tomarket stars, which will help you boost your Tomarket allocation. But firstly, you go to this place, this spin. If you have a couple of stars, you can just spend it here, but daily you are given one free spin. And also you can invite. Okay, I've already gotten 19,000. So also you can invite friends and you get about, I think it's 150 Toma. It's in the tax. You can see that, of course, you get 150 Toma once you invite friends. There's a lot of tax here that I'm here to complete your tax, of course. It's very important. It will actually help you boost, of course. So as you can see, this is how to convert. You go to this place right here, you click on it and you swap. Click on swap and it gave me 1.5 stars, and as you can see, it will increase my mining, the amount of my Toma. I will now go through airdrop. When I get to airdrop, okay, not really airdrop, I'll go to, please participate in farming pools. I'll go to weekly, this place right here. Once I get there, you can see it has increased by 300. It has increased to 3,066. But since I have stars, if you have money, please spend on stars, please. It will actually boost. Even if it doesn't boost right now, it will also boost the allocation that they are going to give on the 18th of December. So you can use your Tomarket point to spin, or you can use stars. So firstly, let me just go to this place right here, more. You can see the highest here is 190 stars. I don't think I have up to 190 stars, so I have just 153 stars. So I'm going to buy more stars to complete this transaction. So as you can see, I just bought extra 50 stars. So I'm going back to the Tomarket app and I'm going to go to more, and I'll click on this place and I'll spin to show you how much I get. So I'm going to make the purchase. and as you can see, that's what I got. I don't know if I can check the history yet again, but that's basically what I got from here. And that's how to boost. That's how you boost your allocation. As you can see, I have 294, 178 stars, and yeah, I can upgrade my level. So firstly, I'll go to airdrop and swap. Sorry, I'll go to weekly. Oh, Jesus, what's happening? So I would go to weekly and swap. I'll swap the 280 Tomarket points to 14 stars, Tomarket stars, of course. So as you can see, my balance has increased from 3,000 something to 16,000. So I'll click on swap. So the as you can see, I've increased my allocation to 18,000, and then I'll go back and I'll boost my level with it. So now we'll go ahead to this place, and then as you can see, I'm in gold level 2. I will now use this to level up. I'll show you to my story, of course. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and see you on the next one.